Why do Chinese men practically beg women to eat kiwi fruit? If you're a woman, be very careful with this fruit. This is what would happen to a woman's body if she ate kiwi fruit every day for 2 weeks. Don't just think of kiwi fruit as a fruit, because it's not. If you're over 35, you need to eat kiwi fruit. Already on the first day. After 24 hours, your private parts will no longer smell bad because kiwi fruit fights the bacteria responsible for this imbalance, known as Gardnerella vaginalis. This is incredible for you who are uncomfortable with unpleasant odors in these areas. After 72 hours, you'll notice a drastic improvement in the quality of your sleep because kiwi contains serotonin, the substance responsible for making your life more positive and happy. Here's a practical benefit. On the 4th day, many people began to notice more effective weight control. The fiber in the kiwi provides a feeling of satiety, helping to control appetite and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. An important step for anyone looking to lose weight. After the 5th day, this fruit will keep your bones healthy. Kiwi fruit is rich in vitamin K, an important vitamin for fixing calcium in the bones, keeping them healthy, and preventing conditions such as osteopenia and osteoporosis. On the 6th day, you'll notice that your blood pressure is under control, as kiwi fruit contains good amounts of potassium, a mineral that promotes relaxation of the arteries, and it helps eliminate excess sodium from the body. Kiwi fruit can help prevent hypertension. After 7 days, your skin will be clear because kiwi eliminates all the bacteria that allow acne to appear. After 14 days, it will clean out all intestinal waste and you'll feel your immune system much stronger and healthier. As I've already said, this fruit is not just any fruit, it's a powerful fruit for women. Have you already consumed or would you like to consume this blessing of nature? I'll leave you with a big kiss. Stay with God.